Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. If you're stopping by, if you clicked on this video, thank you so much for being here. Today I am going to be testing almost a full face of new drugstore makeup. I'm also going to be testing the products that I recently bought in my Dollar General haul. If you guys missed that, I will have it linked up here or here as well as in the description box. Also, if you guys are like, what the heck? Where are you? So I am in my nursery room because this video is going to be a makeup tutorial using natural lighting. There's no studio lights, nothing. Like all this is all natural, so soak it in, honey. I just wanted to do the video that I've seen going around. I know Juicy Jazz has done this, Kelly Strack, and then I think Ellie, I don't know how you pronounce her name, so I'm not even, or her last name, so I'm not even gonna try. I think she's the original one that kind of made this video like trendy. I'm not sure, but I wanted to try it because I've never done a video in like natural light, and I feel, look at my hair going all crazy. I feel like studio lights definitely can make a little bit of a difference. So you guys are gonna see all this and its raw potential. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know what videos you also want to see next. Also, if you guys have your coffee, I'm almost done with mine because obviously I just filmed this whole video. So I'm almost done with mine. Grab your cafecito, sit back, relax. So if you guys want to get ready, grab your brushes, grab your palettes, and let's go ahead and get ready together. Let's jump right into this video. So to get started, I am going to start with the ColourPop primer, the All-Star Matte and Blur Primer. I haven't used this in a very, very long time. This isn't anything new. But honestly, I don't have any primers to test with you guys. For some reason, I didn't pick one up from Believe Beauty. I don't know if I missed it or what, but I didn't grab one. So we're just going to work with what we have today. I'm actually going to zoom you guys in a little bit more so you can really see this skin up close. My under eyes are so dark. Do you guys see that? They're so bad. I've been having such a hard time sleeping. Oh my gosh. I've been doing everything I can. The other day, I took such a long, relaxing, hot, steaming bath. And it definitely helps because I've been suffering a lot from like lower back pain and a lot of like my pelvic bone is like really, really stretching. And it's just, I've been really uncomfortable. And then at nights, I'm pretty sure this is like a pregnancy syndrome, or a pregnancy, what do you call it? Just one of those things that you get when you're pregnant, and I have what they call restless leg syndrome. It's horrible, you guys. Like my legs feel like they are tingling and I have to keep moving them, and that keeps me from sleeping. I'm going to go in with the Believe sponge, which is this one right here. This is the one that I bought from Dollar General. And then I'm also going to go in with the foundation. This is Neutral Tan, which is this one right here. I've been really, really intrigued by this foundation. I've heard so many new things. Oh, what do you guys think of my nails? I finally redid them. I think they came out pretty cute. And then we're going to push it into the skin. Oh my gosh, this is so light. It looks so much darker on the bottom. And it's like really light on my skin. Oh no. Okay, at least this was only like $5. And maybe I can make it a little bit darker with bronzer. So the foundation is really pretty though, like it looks like your skin but better. For my concealer, I'm going to take this one by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Concealer. I know that this isn't anything new, but I actually recently got a PR package from Maybelline and they sent me a bunch of their like concealers, their BB creams, and they also sent me some of their like new crayons. But I wanted to try this concealer because this used to be my jam, you guys. I'm sure some of you remember that this concealer was like the it concealer back in the day. I don't use it anymore because I remember it started like burning my skin. So we're gonna see how how this is. This is in the shade Sand. I'm going to try this Revlon X Wonder Woman highlighter, and this is in the shade Liquid Armor, and it's just called a Glow Pot, and it looks like this. It kind of reminds me of that new product with Kylie Jenner and her sister Kendall. It's a little bit like greasy feeling, so I'm going to apply it a little bit to the back of my hand. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's really pretty. So I'm going to like it. For my setting powder, I'm going to go in with the Believe Beauty, and this is in translucent. I also have this one by Maybelline. I've never seen this anywhere. It's their Lasting Fix Banana Translucent Setting Powder, which looks like this, and it's just a yellow setting powder. So I might dig into this one as well. Well, this feels very like lightweight. Ooh, I really like this powder already. I can tell you when I like powders immediately because of the way they feel. Some, as soon as you put them on the skin, they just feel like they're just sucking up all the natural oils on your skin. This one just feels like it's doing its job. It's like baking, but not drying. I'm going to open this one by Maybelline, the yellow one, because I just want to try it. I'm going to sift a little bit, and I'm going to use this one to bake underneath like the cheekbones. I don't have a new drugstore bronzer, so I'm just going to use this one by Kokie Cosmetics. This is the matte bronzer in the shade Heat Wave. Oh my god. Why does this always happen to me when I'm using bronzers? Oh my gosh. I always like mess up and apply too much in one area. And I'm going to have to blend this to like my edges. Just going to apply a little bit of bronzer on here. I really like that Maybelline powder too. It sits really well on the skin. And I like that it's not too like drying either. It just feels very finely milled. So for my blush, I also picked up one by Believe Beauty. This is in the shade Creamy Peach. And of course, it's a peachy blush. You guys know my obsession with anything peach. So I'm going to go in with a little bit. I feel like it's really light, but I'm hoping it still shows up on my skin. I'm going to apply that to the apples of the cheeks. I always go heavy-handed with my blush. This is actually a really pretty color. I didn't think it was going to be as pigmented on my skin just because I am a little bit darker. That's pretty. For the highlighter, this is another one by Believe Beauty. And this is in the shade Champagne Kiss. I've already swatched this and it's pretty amazing. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of my highlighter. And I'm just going to apply it to the areas where I applied that Revlon highlighter. I'm going to tap it in because this is still a little bit wet. Alright, let's go in with the palette, you guys. I am so excited to try this. I did swatch it when I got it in the mail, and it swatched beautifully. BH Cosmetics, I feel like it just keep leveling up with their products. So I'm going to go in with Delicious, and I'm going to try to use all the matte shades so you guys can see them in action. So I'm going to go in with Delicious, which is this really pretty, I don't even know, that shade right there. It almost looks like the color of my actual skin. Really soft. They feel super, super soft. Okay, I fixed my lighting. I hope this is better. I feel like I look a little bit orange, but oh well. So now I'm going to go in with Toasted, which is this one right here. It's a little deeper than Delicious. And then I will eventually go in with Homemade. And P.S. Look at how cute, like, the little stamps that it has because it's all like... And I'm just going to blend it in as well. And with that same brush, I'm just like cleaning it on and off. I am finally going to go in with Homemade. Oh, I gotta stretch my legs because they're like falling asleep. Say hello, I'm always with my mom. I never leave her alone. My mama's girl. Now that I have everything blended out, I'm going to go and pick one of these shades. I don't know which one I'm going to use because all of them are super cute. So this one is Cookie Dough. Look at how much pigment. Yeah, they're super sparkly. And then this is Dipped. Cookie Dough Dipped. The third one is Cinnamon. And then we have Fudge. Look at how gorgeous all of these are, you guys. So I think I'm going to go in with, I'm going to use Cookie Dough in the inner corner for sure. And then I'm going to try to use at least two. I'm going to use Dipped first. Let's see how it works. And I'm not going to do a cut crease. I'm just going to kind of like lay them in here. I've been really into this look where it's a little bit more like messy, I guess. So I'm only going to use cinnamon up to there. And I am using my Believe Beauty little makeup setting spray to wet my brush. I just like wetting my brush when I use products like this. Now I'm going to go into cinnamon, which is the third one. These are so creamy. And I'm going to squish that in the middle. I'm just going to stop it right there. Like that, I'm going to clean off my brush. I'm going to get it wet again. And then I'm going to use Fudge, which is the last shade. And Fudge is going to go at the very end. I'm going to go into Cookie Dough, which is that first shade. And I'm going to throw that into the inner corner. Ooh, yes. That is so pretty. Okay, now I'm just going to work on the outer half. I am going to use pretty much all the same shades again. Delicious, Toasted, and Homemade. And I think that'll be all, you guys. I need to go downstairs and grab some lashes. So I'll be back with the eyes finished, and then we can finish off with the lips. So for the lips, I decided to go in with the NYX Line and Load liquid lipsticks. I'm going to use two shades. I'm first going to use Never Listen. This is going to work as a lip liner to outline the lips. And then I'm going to go in with a DM Me to fill in the center to give me that ombre look that I pretty much always go for. And we're going to set everything in place. I'm going to use the Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray. I haven't tried this one. I am not a fan of the mist. When I was misting my brush, I was like, not a fan of it, but we're going to try it. That is it, you guys. This is the final look. This is a full face testing new drugstore makeup, and let me know your thoughts on this look because I love this palette. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. If you guys love warm tone, you smell like masapan. Have you been eating masapan? If you guys love warm tone palettes, this is literally like your new go-to palette because it has everything you want. It has dark browns, light browns, a vanilla shade, and 4 beautiful shimmer shades to choose from. Absolutely love the palette. The foundation, I think it looks really good. I feel like my skin looks really pretty. It looks very soft and like airbrushed, but obviously the foundation color was just totally off. But other than that, I enjoyed every single product. That is it for me, you guys. I hope again you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With that said, you guys, obviously, you know, the family's here, so I gotta go. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.